Hi, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to give you an update on the progress on the addition. I'm not really sure where I left off. I'm pretty sure I was putting in this lower OSB sheathing, but now I have the upper stuff almost completely done. Let me show you what it looks like. There we go. What's left here is the strips right here. This will be solid wood because it's too small for OSB. You have 4 of those on each side. A small panel here and 2 longer ones there, and the same thing on the other side. This was a nightmare getting on today. I actually started a video this morning and the weather kept going from good to bad to good to bad. Real high winds. When I was putting these sheets on, it was just crazy. Luckily the winds were coming at an angle like this, and I just got them on without killing myself. But it's all on now. These are real easy, which is good because I gotta get them on tomorrow. The problem right now is it's getting late in September and it could get cold at any time now, and I have several things that depend on glue. So tonight I'm going to check all the different glues, see what the lowest temperature they can be applied at, then set my priorities according to that. I have the blue foam board glue that I'll be gluing the foam just like on the house. This outside of this gets foam on it. I have that glue. I have the glue for this same construction adhesive that this is put on with. I'll be using to put the deck on, 3/4 inch deck panels. And then there's the glue for the rubber roof itself, which is rolled on. So I'm going to find out the temperatures that stuff can be applied tonight and make a list of priorities. Tomorrow, no matter what, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to get these mulls on and the rest of this OSB, and then whatever is the priority, that's what I'm going to do next. Like if this glue here can only be applied above 50 degrees, I'll just start on the foam right away. So we'll see. I have a board that goes around the top as well, and some stiffeners that come down, but this thing is so nice and stiff, I don't know if I really even need them stiffeners. I can probably do without it to save me a hell of a lot of time. Yeah, I wish I could have made a better video today, but the end of the year is coming so quick and I got to get this thing buttoned up, get the windows in and get the doors in so that I can insulate and do the work inside once the weather turns south. So I'm really limited on time. So if you want to see the mad dash to the finish, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon so you're notified when I post new videos. If you have any questions or comments, just put them in the comment section below. I generally answer all comments. And if you give the video a like and or share, that would help the channel greatly, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.